Dear friends, in this video you can see bike repairing. Two small children repairing bike. Bike chain broken in this video. Small boys are fully trained in bike repairing. Bike chain instruments and two children's looking in this video. Dear friends, please watch full video for my motivation. In this video, you will see or download copyright free content. Dear friend, this video is self-created and captured with my cam. It's totally logo and watermark free video. Dear friend, you can use this video in your project because it's totally copyright free video. After download this video, you can mute my voice and record your own voice.